Welcome to another Rusty Rails rail fanning adventure. On January 15th, 2022, we made a trip to Spartanburg, South Carolina to visit the Hub City Railroad Museum. Spartanburg got the name Hub City by 7 rail lines serving the city that radiated outwards like the spokes of a wheel. The Hub City Railroad Museum is open from 10 to 2 on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Admission is free, but donations are gladly accepted. So let's take a tour of what they have in the Railroad Museum. This is a diorama of what the station used to look like. Where the green semi is the only remaining portion of the station. Corner over here is a collection of porter blankets and memorabilia. This locomotive bell you can ring if you want to. We didn't pull the bell to see what it sounded like, but as soon as we were done walking through, someone did ring the bell, and yes, it was loud. The cool thing about Spartanburg, they have the only tunnel in South Carolina. It goes underneath the Norfolk Southern main line. CSX uses the tunnel so they don't have to cross over the Norfolk Southern line. Over my scanner, I heard that a train was coming down the line on the Norfolk Southern side, so we decided to go out and catch it. We are standing in a field that used to be the old freight depot. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as Norfolk Southern train 212 thunders on past. If you would like to visit the Hub City Railroad Museum, it is located at 298 Magnolia Street, Spartanburg, South Carolina. The museum hours are from 10 to 2 on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and for more information, you can visit www.hubcityrailroadmuseum.org or visit them on their Facebook page. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And ring the notification bell to be notified about my future uploads.